Welcome to Watch UK, where we uphold transparency, accountability, and public rights. Stay informed and empowered by hitting that subscribe button for more legal breakdowns and real-world audits. This footage comes courtesy of Reggie Photo, linked below. Be sure to support them. What happens when a public filming rights clash with authority? In today's video, a seemingly routine drone audit quickly escalates at a government site. Tensions rise, and the confrontation leads to a shocking twist. Did the authorities overstep, or were they right to be concerned? Let's dive in.
Hey, what's up guys? So where are we today? We're in Washington and we're at the HM Revenue and Customs. So there we go guys.
A casual walk turns into a high-stakes standoff as the auditor starts filming a government facility. Right from the start, the unease is palpable, with security visibly questioning the motives of the filmer. The sense of power struggle is immediate: public rights versus perceived threats. Could this be a clear violation of filming rights, or a justified security concern? The tension is only beginning.
It is.
Right, look here.
Who's told you that, buddy?
I've told you that, right? I've asked you to bring it back off.
I'm not bringing it back down.
Right, look here. I've asked you, you've said no, that'll do.
You don't have to, you know.
Yeah, it's generally the joke that was going up the side.
Yeah, just filming it all from above, mate.
Now things start to heat up. The filmer's refusal to comply with the request to turn off the camera is met with escalating hostility from the security guard. Notice the escalating body language: arms crossed, voices raised. Legally, the filmer seems within their rights to document a public site, but the guard is challenging their authority. This could be a textbook case of tension between personal freedoms and perceived security threats.
Whatever you need to bring it off the site.
No, you don't.
Listen to this. Listen to what I've got to say.
Don't. I'm not listening to you. Stop interrupting me.
You're standing, you're having a conversation with
Well, what's your problem?
The problem is it's a government site and you're not allowed to film.
You are allowed to film over here.
You're not.
You are.
You're allowed to stand here using your phone
Hey,
to take
keep your
pictures.
distance away from me.
I can stand wherever I want.
You're not into my personal space, you're not.
I'm not in your personal space.
Well, keep that arm's length away, mate, because I will defend myself.
I'm an arm's length.
I will defend myself if I'm
arm's
threatened.
length,
If I'm threatened, I will defend myself.
And I'll defend myself.
Because you're coming across a bit of aggressive.
I'm asking you to turn the camera off.
No, I'm filming in this area. Leave me alone.
John, can you ring the police?
Ring the police?
Yeah.
Don't be like that.
Leave me alone, the filmer insists as the security guard tries to assert dominance. This moment exemplifies the fine line between public rights and the power of private security. The filmer is calm, but the tension builds. Public filming in a private space can be murky. Could this be overreach, or is the security guard just doing his job?
No way. Sorry?
Police have been informed that you've got a drone over the top of the government site.
Police are being informed?
What?
Police have been informed.
Yeah.
Oh, you're not going to ring them, are you?
I've already been rang.
Oh, seriously?
Yes.
Oh, don't do that, mate.
Why do you think I'm standing talking to you and asking you to remove?
The phone call to the police is a turning point. Security is now bringing in law enforcement, hoping to back their claims. But legally, what do they have? The filmer is standing firm, asserting their rights, but the security guard's insistence shows just how much misunderstanding can occur in these situations. The involvement of the police may be more about intimidation than actual legal concerns.
I'm filming the area.
The police have been informed. Argue about with the police.
You're arguing with me. Why?
I'm not, because it's my job to tell you not to fly.
Don't be
on
like
the top of
that,
the
mate.
state. Whatever.
You're ringing police?
They've been wrong.
They don't control the airspace. This building.
Argue about it with them.
Don't
They've
be
been
like
in-
that.
They've been informed.
Don't be like that, man.
It's already been done.
You're imposing on my rights here, mate. Look, you're crossing your arms because you know it.
I'm crossing my arms so you're not intimidated. Your rights are to stand off the site. You can take as many pictures as you want. Once you are on site, you're not allowed to film.
I am.
You're not.
I'm not on
Tell
site.
the police.
I'm flying above
Tell
it.
the police.
Don't be like
Tell the
that.
police.
Don't be like that, mate.
You've been informed. You're aware.
Mate, all I ask you is
You
not to...
need to remove your camera. You need to remove it from the
Don't be like that, buddy.
rubbish.
No, it's not rubbish. It's
You.
a good sport.
Things are starting to feel more absurd. As the filmer maintains control of the situation, the guard insists that the filmer is trespassing. Yet they're not even on the property. This moment illustrates the confusion around public filming rights, where authority figures may misinterpret the law in the heat of the moment. Tension peaks as the guard's position weakens, but the filmer stands tall.
Don't be like that with me. You're being hostile with me. Stop being hostile.
Police are coming. I'm not being.
Please don't be like that, buddy.
With the filmer's persistent calm, the guard's frustration grows. The filmer even mocks the situation, highlighting the absurdity of being confronted for simply taking footage. The public has the right to film in public spaces, and the security guard seems unaware of that. This clip shows how quickly misunderstandings can escalate when security personnel lack proper knowledge of the law.
You need to move it back over to you. Move it back. The police are coming.
Don't be like that, mate.
Whatever.
Please.
Whatever. They're coming.
No, they're not.
The police.
They're not interested.
Whatever.
No, I'm flying in the area.
Now the atmosphere turns even more hostile. The filmer continues to assert their rights, but the security guard is not backing down. The filmer's confidence in their right to film contrasts sharply with the guard's defiant actions. The question here: how far can security push before they cross the line into harassment or intimidation?
Seriously? You shouldn't be filming me.
Cameras behind us.
You shouldn't be filming me.
You
Well, go over here then.
do what you want. You're still on CCTV.
Don't be filming. Why are you filming me, mate?
You're on there filming a government site.
I don't want to be filmed.
Okay.
Please.
You were standing on a government site.
I want to put.
Video footage of a government site. It's illegal. You've been asked to remove the drone. You're not doing it. But you're not, anything that happens on this site, we're out.
Go away, man. Go away. Don't be like that.
The filmer is now completely on their own, challenged by security, but standing firm. Despite the guard's demands, they continue to film, knowing the law is on their side. This clip underscores the power struggle when security oversteps, misunderstanding the legal boundaries in place. The filmer isn't backing down, but how long can this standoff last?
Through. Washington. I'm going to a destination in Durham. Just thought I'd pop by. If you haven't seen I Spy Audit's video when he was last here, go and check him out. Yeah, classic little video. I don't know why they have to embark on stuff out of their control, i.e. airspace and public pavements. They just don't get it, do they, guys? Hopefully the control room will put them straight on this matter today. So we are going to wait for the police if they do turn up, which I don't think they will. I think personally the police at the control room is going to tell them that we can do this.
A significant shift as the filmer reflects on the situation and openly questions the legality of the security guard's actions. The absurdity of the entire exchange starts to unfold as the filmer calmly explains that they're simply exercising their rights. The tension has broken down into an uncomfortable realization. The authorities have no real legal grounds to stop them.
It'd be pointless turning up, wouldn't it? All they need to do is look on drone assist for the area. So, watch this space as whether or not they're going to come out or not.
I'm walking along now because I'm on the road. He's offside.
So I'm filming FSG, is that right? Huh? Is this what this is? FSG? You're not following me, are you? Why? You said you were following me then?
Talking to my colleague.
So guys, this is going crazy, this, you know. We are literally...
The security is now following the filmer from one location to another. The sense of paranoia has reached its peak. The filmer remains undeterred, observing how security is attempting to control the situation. This persistent following calls into question the motives of the guards and their understanding of the law. Are they trying to intimidate, or are they just unaware of their limits? What started as a simple drone audit quickly escalated into a power struggle. Throughout the encounter, the filmer remained calm and assertive, exercising their right to film in public spaces. But how far should security and law enforcement go in these situations? Did they overstep, or were they justified in their actions? Share your thoughts and subscribe for more breakdowns. This video is for commentary, educational, and public awareness purposes only.